What if I told you that a simple houseplant could make your bedroom a healthier, more peaceful place to sleep? Some plants purify the air, others boost relaxation, and some even release oxygen at night, giving you the best sleep of your life. Stick around till the end for 2 powerhouses, absolute must-haves for any bedroom. Let's get started. 1. Aloe Vera, the nighttime oxygen machine. Aloe vera does more than heal cuts and burns. It works as a natural oxygen generator at night. Unlike most plants that stop oxygen production after sunset, aloe keeps going, making your bedroom air fresher while you sleep. It's also incredibly low maintenance, thriving with minimal watering and indirect light. Plus, having one nearby means you always have fresh aloe gel on hand for skincare emergencies. English ivy, the allergy fighter. For those who suffer from allergies, English ivy is a game changer. It absorbs mold spores and airborne toxins, making your bedroom air cleaner and healthier. Studies suggest that it can reduce symptoms of asthma and congestion, helping you breathe easier at night. Plus, its cascading vines look stunning in a hanging planter or draped over a bookshelf. Areca Palm, the natural humidifier. Dry air can lead to irritated sinuses, dry skin, and a scratchy throat. Areca Palm solves this by naturally increasing humidity levels, keeping your bedroom air comfortable and fresh. Its feathery, arching fronds also create a tropical, relaxing vibe, perfect for turning your room into a stress-free retreat. Pothos, the Effortless Air Purifier. Want a plant that thrives on neglect? Meet Pothos. This hardy vine removes toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, improving air quality effortlessly. It grows beautifully in hanging baskets or on shelves, creating a lush green display with minimal care. Plus, it can survive in both bright and low light, making it one of the most adaptable bedroom plants. Chinese Evergreen, the stylish air cleaner. Chinese Evergreen is a bedroom favorite because of its stunning variegated leaves and ability to filter out pollutants. It thrives in low-light conditions and requires little maintenance, making it ideal for anyone who wants a beautiful plant without much effort. Chamomile, the herbal sleep enhancer. Chamomile is known for its sleep-inducing properties commonly used in bedtime teas, but having a live chamomile plant in your bedroom amplifies those benefits. Its mild, apple-like fragrance relaxes the nervous system and helps you unwind before bed. Rubber plant, the toxin absorber. With its glossy, deep green leaves, the rubber plant is an elegant statement piece. But beyond its beauty, it's a powerful air purifier, absorbing harmful toxins from the air. This plant thrives in low-light spaces, making it a great choice for modern bedrooms with minimal sunlight. Gardenia. The floral sleep booster studies suggest that gardenia's fragrance has a sedative effect similar to Valium, naturally reducing stress and promoting deep sleep. Its white, waxy flowers bring a touch of classic elegance to your bedroom, making it both a functional and decorative addition. Jasmine, the natural stress reliever. Jasmine isn't just stunning, it's also a natural sleep aid. Studies show that its sweet floral fragrance reduces restlessness, making it easier to fall into deep, uninterrupted sleep. Waking up to the gentle scent of jasmine can also boost your mood and energy levels in the morning. Place it near a window where it gets indirect light and it will reward you with fragrant white blooms. Lavender, the sleep-inducing fragrance. If you struggle with stress or insomnia, lavender is your best friend. Its calming scent has been scientifically proven to reduce anxiety, lower heart rate, and promote better sleep. Even a whiff of its soothing aroma can relax your mind after a long day. Place it near your bedside for an instant sleep-enhancing effect, and enjoy its delicate purple blooms as a bonus. Boston Fern. The humidity booster Boston Ferns thrive in humid environments, making them perfect for bedrooms with dry air. They help prevent respiratory discomfort and keep your skin from drying out. Their delicate feathery fronds add a soft, dreamy touch to any bedroom decor. Gerbera daisy, the happy energy plant. Gerbera daisies don't just brighten up your space with their vibrant colors, they also release oxygen at night, making them great for improving air quality while you sleep. If you want a cheerful yet functional plant for your bedroom, this one's a winner. ZZ plant, the indestructible bedroom plant. If you forget to water your plants, the ZZ plant is perfect for you. It can survive in almost any condition, requires little maintenance, and still filters toxins from the air. Its waxy, upright leaves add a modern, minimalist touch to any bedroom. Bamboo palm, the air-refreshing tropical plant. Bamboo palms are top-rated air purifiers, removing toxins while increasing oxygen levels in your room. They also add a zen-like tranquility, making them a perfect plant for relaxation. Valerian, the natural sleep remedy. Valerian is one of the most effective natural sleep aids, often used in herbal medicine. Its subtle fragrance relaxes the nervous system, helping you drift into sleep effortlessly. Keeping a valerian plant in your bedroom gives you instant access to its calming benefits. Hoya, the fragrant nighttime oxygen booster. Hoya, or wax plant, is known for its star-shaped flowers that release a sweet fragrance at night. It also purifies the air and adds a romantic, vintage charm to your bedroom. 17. Spider plant, the oxygen and moisture enhancer. Spider plants are fantastic toxin removers, absorbing harmful chemicals from the air. They also increase oxygen levels and help maintain the right humidity, preventing dry air that can irritate your throat. Plus, their lively green and white leaves add a fresh, dynamic look to your space. Peace lily, the ultimate air purifier. Peace lilies are one of the most effective plants for removing toxins, including mold spores and airborne bacteria. They increase humidity levels, making them great for people with allergies or sinus issues. Their elegant white blooms symbolize peace and bring a sense of calm to your bedroom. Snake plant, the best plant for sleep. If you want the ultimate sleep-enhancing plant, the snake plant is it. It's one of the few plants that releases oxygen at night, improving air quality and making it easier to breathe while you sleep. It also absorbs toxins and requires almost no maintenance, a must-have for every bedroom. Philodendron, the cozy green companion. Philodendrons are the perfect blend of aesthetic appeal and air purification. Their lush, trailing vines create a cozy, jungle-like atmosphere, making your bedroom feel more peaceful and inviting. These plants are natural air cleaners, absorbing toxins and improving humidity levels. Plus, they adapt well to different lighting conditions, so whether your bedroom gets bright or low light, a philodendron will thrive effortlessly. Their heart-shaped leaves symbolize warmth and positivity, perfect for a restful and serene sleep environment. And there you have it, 20 of the best plants to transform your bedroom into a calm, fresh, and relaxing space. Whether you want better sleep, cleaner air, or just a touch of natural beauty, these plants will do the job. Which one is your favorite? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more plant inspiration. Until next time, happy planting.